What's up, good people? This is Anthony Deloach, and I'm back with another crypto investing tutorial. And today I'm going over a platform that's called All Bullish. This is a fairly new platform, but I am loving every bit of it right now. It's been absolutely phenomenal. Now, there's a couple things that I look at when I look at a crypto investing platform, because there's a lot of scams out there. There's a lot of platforms that don't do what they say they're going to do. So I start to review those platforms and see if they're worth even spending any time looking into. So when I went to All Bullish, I stumbled upon this in one of the other groups that I'm in, and I looked at the platform, and I decided to go ahead and get started with it because of a few things, right? So the first thing is that the website looked well put together. It doesn't look like something that's fly by night. It was well thought out. It was a great layout. It was very intriguing when I went to the website. So I went ahead and went a little bit further and looked at the information. But one of the other things that stood out to me is that they had the support button right on the homepage, right up front in red, so that it's highlighted. So they really want you to contact their support. Then they also had a live chat at the bottom, as you see here. And I've been able to use that live chat. They're very, very responsive. Even I sent a support ticket, and they were very responsive with that as well. So that really impressed me with the platform. It made me feel like it was more and more legit. But the next thing that really impressed me was that with this platform, they were totally transparent. As you can see, it tells you the total amount of investments they have here. They also have their payment statistics telling you how much has been paid out to investors. So that's another great thing as well. But they took it another level when they actually put live statistics over here on this tab. So when you click on this tab that says live statistics, they actually show you current payments and withdrawals or deposits and withdrawals that have been placed in real time. So this is just telling you things that are happening right now. And you can see people are making withdrawals, people are making deposits. You see exactly what's going on. So that's a lot of transparency for a very new company. So I think they believe that they need to be very transparent, being that they're very new. This platform has only been online for 15 days. So that can scare a few people when they start investing. But I went ahead and jumped into it. Now I want to tell you, as I say with any investment platform, only invest what you are willing to lose. So I decided to go ahead and jump into it to try it. Now, when I first tried out the platform, I did it with $10. I decided to go ahead and invest $10 into it. I put $10 in Bitcoin that I had sitting in my wallet, put $10 in there, and I went and got started, right? So that's what I did. But I went and tried out everything. I went and tried out getting started, making the payment, seeing if that was good. I waited a day to see if they were going to pay me out. They did pay my payment out. And then I was able to reinvest it. Then when it paid me out again, I was able to do a withdrawal. So that was phenomenal to me. So it showed me that that it was a viable platform that you could use to really multiply your money or your Bitcoin through this platform. So let's go a little bit further and tell you about a couple other things that I was really impressed with. What I like is that they pay you great percentages, right? And it's affordable and it's suitable for everyone. One of the things that I really look at is to make sure that anybody can access the platform that I'm investing in. I wanted to make sure that the average Joe to the multimillionaire would be able to access the platform. And that's what they've done with this. So the first package starts at $1. You can invest as little as $1. Now, if you're investing in the US, you have to use Bitcoin. So it has to be at least $10, right? But you can invest $10 and then you can go ahead and get started. So the minimum, like I said, is $1. The maximum is $99 for the 17%. When they say maximum of $99, if you invest $100, you go to the next package. You automatically qualify for the 18.5% daily. And then that goes up to $499. And then you go over to the package 3 when you hit 500, and that goes up to 20% daily. And that goes all the way up to $4,999. Then you go over to package 4. Package 4 is at 21.5% daily. That starts at $5,000, and there's no maximum for that. Each one of the packages pay a term of 7 days. So they pay you out that amount for 7 days. Now, this is not one of the programs where they return your principal plus your principal, but what they do is during the daily payments, you get paid your principal back with your profit. So your daily profit that you're paid every day. So let's say if you were going to invest $1,000, as you see in this calculator here, your daily profit percentage will be 20%, which means they're going to pay you $200 per day. And then your total profit will be $1,400. So your principal was returned as they were paying you your daily pay, right? So I think that's phenomenal that I can put $1,000 into an account, and in 7 days, that $1,000 turns into $1,400 for me. That's absolutely incredible right there for me. If you scroll down further on the website, they show you the last 20 deposits and withdrawals, more transparency, more clarity there for you. So that's absolutely phenomenal. They also have an affiliate program with this, which the affiliate program is wonderful. I'll go over that a little bit for you. So with the affiliate program, you can make up to 15% of referral deposit. I will show you a little bit about what the referrals are. So you make 5% referral on your level 1A. So that means your first 1 to 9 referrals, you make 5% on. After you get over the 9 referrals, you get the 10 to 24 referrals. Between 10 and 24 referrals, you're on what they call level 1B, and you get 10%. And then on level 1C, yes, when you have 25 plus referrals, that's 12% of whatever they deposit from their wallets. So also you have on level 2, you get 2%. On level 3, you get 1%. So I think that's wonderful as well. It's a great affiliate program where you can make some substantial money, just bringing other people on and introducing other people to the program. Another thing that I really like about this is the knowledge base, right? So their knowledge base is very user friendly. You can go in, you can look at if you want to see the frequently asked questions about general info, about deposits, withdrawals, referrals. Pretty much the most frequent questions that you could think of, those are answered in those frequently asked questions. It's really helpful there. I looked over that thoroughly and really learned about the system before I started investing. And I think that everybody should do their due diligence and really do that. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to go ahead and go to my link, right? So when sorry about that. So I'm going to go to my link, and this is allbullish.com, and then it's going to /REF greatness. That's my link right there. You want to make sure that you're at your link. So I'm going to actually sign up on my link, right? Because I want to get the credit for it. It's my link. I'm doing this as a tutorial, but I want to get the credit for it. Now, there's no problem with you having multiple accounts. Or if you want to set up accounts for your children, or if you want to set up an account for or if you want to refer your spouse and you want to have them set up an account, that's totally legitimate. You can do that. They welcome that on this platform. So that's absolutely phenomenal there. So let's go ahead and go through the sign up process. One of the things I do have to show you is that you do have to have a wallet address available, a Bitcoin wallet address available when you go to sign up, because they're going to ask for it right up front. This is where you're going to have your Bitcoin withdrawn to. So when you make a withdrawal, your Bitcoin is going to go into this wallet that you set it up with. So you do want to have that available when you go to sign up with the platform. If you don't have a Bitcoin wallet right now, I'm going to link in the comments a platform that I use, which is called Coinbase. I use Coinbase wallet, and it's actually really helpful. I really like it. It's very user friendly to me. And you can get Coinbase, you can find your receiving wallet in Coinbase, and then you can use that. I actually have a tutorial that walks you through that, which I will link that in the description of this video. So let's go ahead and click on you can click on either the sign up button, or you can click on this open account. Either way, it's going to take you to the same page. So let's go ahead and click on that now. Now that I'm going in to open the account here, I'm going to go ahead and get signed up. I'm going to put my full name, username, and email address. So right now, let's go ahead and put Anthony Deloach. I got my caps lock on, so let's take that off. So I'm going to put Anthony Deloach. Then I'm going to use my username. I'm going to put Crypto King Anthony. That's going to be my username. And then I'm going to, let's see what email address I'll use. I'll use the Crypto King Anthony email address that I've made up. And then I'm going to create a password. Here I created a password for the program there. And then I'm going to put my Bitcoin address in here. Now, what you want to do, if somebody referred you over to this platform, you want to make sure that it says your upline is whoever referred you over to the platform. You want to make sure that they get properly credited for signing you up for the platform. So I want you to actually do that as well. So I'm going to go ahead and click and agree to the terms and conditions, and I'll go ahead and click register. All right. Now I am back in the back office now, so we can look over what the back office looks like. It's very user friendly as well. Has a lot of information in here, so I just want to go over this for you guys as well, so you can see exactly what this looks like. This is a very intuitive program, so it actually will tell you your total deposit, your total amount you've withdrawn. It actually gives you your referral link here that you can send over to your friends and family or whoever you want to refer to the platform. It shows you your earned total, your pending withdrawal, your withdrawal total, your active deposit, everything there. So it has a lot of information that it shows you here. So I wanted to show you guys this so you can see exactly how this works. You can actually go ahead, if you're ready, you can go ahead and make a deposit. What you would do is go click on the button for make a deposit here. When it takes you to the deposit page, it is going to show you all the different packages so you can decide how much you want to spend. What you would do is you would go ahead and click in here the amount of US dollars that you want to spend. So let's say if it was $20. If I wanted to spend $20, I would just go ahead and key in $20, and then I would use my payment method. Like I told you guys, Payeer is not available in the United States. So if you're in the United States, you will have to use a Bitcoin wallet to actually fund this platform. So what you would do is go ahead and click on Bitcoin. You got your $20 in there, and then you're going to have to select the button that says make a payment. So you will go ahead and make payment. And when you do that, it's going to bring you up another page here that's going to have the wallet address where you're going to send your payment, and it's going to have the amount of Bitcoin that you actually need to send for it to be $20. So I decided I wanted to go ahead and do that. The profit amount that I'll get for 7 days is going to show me 17% because it's under $100. So it'll be 17% of that I will earn off of this $20 here. So it shows all that information there. Now, all I got to do is if I'm using my app, I would just need to scan this with my phone so I can do that. Or I could copy and paste this address into my Bitcoin wallet, and then I can send this information over to the platform here. So that is another thing that you can actually do to fund the account. So let me do this and I'll be right back. So once you actually make your deposit, if you just wait a few moments, it's going to show you that your deposit your deposit has went through and is waiting for confirmations. It's waiting for one confirmation, and then your deposit should be gone through, and then you'll be able to see it as an active deposit in your account. Now, what I love about this platform is that you don't have to worry about doing anything else. After this, you have an active deposit. It's already working for you. And then once your deposit is fully received and is confirmed, 24 hours from the time of that deposit, you will get paid out your profit, right? So with $20, if I have $20, I think I sent like 21 to make sure that I got the entire amount over there. But with $21, you would actually earn profit off of that, right? So it's a small amount, but you'll earn profit daily off of that $21. So let's say if I put $21 times 17%, that's going to be $3.57, which I will earn every single day for 7 days. So if I do that times 7, that means that I will earn $24.99 in 7 days. But what I'm going to do to multiply this, or to compound it, if you will, what I'm going to do is I'm going to reinvest the $3.57 every day that it actually pays me out. When I reinvest that every day, it'll allow me to compound it over and over and over again, and compound it quickly so that I can turn that $20 into much, much more money. And I actually have a whole strategy with that. So I'm going to show you, I'll put in the description how you can reach out to me, and then you can go over the strategy with me that will show you how you can turn this $20 into a significant amount of money. All right, let's see. What you'll have to do is to go back to your dashboard to see if the payment has went all the way through for you. So let's see, and it'll show in your active deposits once it's went all the way through. And you see total deposit, $20.98, right? Blockchain ended up taking like 2 cents from me, but it's all good. So $20.98 is my active deposit here. So that's active. Nothing else is going to show but your last deposit and your active deposit, which should be the same right now. So you're ready to go. You're all invested. All you have to do is wait 24 hours from the time that you actually did this. And then in 24 hours, you're going to earn your profit. And every day you're going to earn your profit. But like I said, we have a reinvestment strategy that allows you to put the compound effect to work for you so you can turn this into much, much more money. Now, as always, security is the first and foremost when it comes to investing. So you want to go ahead and set up your two-factor authentication. If you don't have one right now, the Google Authenticator is one that you can use. Some people like it, some people don't, but it's up to your choice. There's other two-factor authenticators that you can use out there in your app store for Apple or in your Play Store for Android. You can go look at two-factor authentication apps that can help you with this. But I went ahead and set up mine on my other account. I'll go ahead and get it set up on this account as well so that my account will be secure so nobody could really hack my account here. So I wanted to tell you guys a little more about that. I'm going to do another video which will show you how to actually do a withdrawal. I'll do that video, and then I will also do a video showing you how I actually reinvest as well from this platform. So stay tuned for more videos to come and more reviews on other crypto investing platforms. I hope this has been very helpful for you. Until the next video, I am out. You guys have an absolutely phenomenal day.